Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to invest in iShares UK. If you're curious about getting a slice of the UK market without the hassle of picking individual stocks, iShares ETFs are a fantastic option. Let's break this down step by step so you can get started with confidence. First off, what exactly is iShares UK? iShares is a brand under BlackRock, one of the world's largest asset managers. Their UK-focused ETFs, like the iShares Core FTSE 100 UCITS ETF, track major UK indices. This means you're investing in a basket of top UK companies, providing instant diversification. Why choose iShares? They offer low fees, high liquidity, and tax efficiency, making them ideal for beginners or seasoned investors looking for passive income. Now, let's get to the how. Step 1. Educate yourself. Research the specific iShares UK ETF that matches your goals, whether it's for growth, dividends, or broad exposure. Step 2. Open a brokerage account. Platforms like Vanguard, Interactive Brokers, or even apps like eToro make this easy and often have zero commission trading for ETFs. Step 3. Fund your account. Link your bank and deposit money. Start small if you're new, maybe with £500 or more, depending on your budget. Step 4. Select your ETF. Search for iShares UK funds on your broker's platform, check the expense ratio, and review historical performance. Step 5. Place your order. Decide between market or limit orders, then buy your shares. It's that straightforward. Finally, Step 6. Monitor and manage. Keep an eye on your investment, but remember, ETFs are set it and forget it for long-term growth. Investing always comes with risks, like market volatility or currency fluctuations if you're not in the UK. Never invest money you can't afford to lose, and consider consulting a financial advisor. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more investing tips. See you next time.